Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you see there, that's the home menu. So say for instance we're on sat nav. So if you click on the home menu, you've got audio, video there, modes, audio, video, nav, phone there. If I go, well, you've also got setup there, but if I go to phone, and you see on there, there's no phones connected at the moment. So when I click phone, it gives you the option to, it shows you the phones that are connected, gives you the option to search for new, and it gives you the option here to delete. That's what I want to do. So remember that there's got to be no phone connected for this menu to come up, otherwise it'll just connect automatically. So delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Yes, that's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. The first thing we need to do is make sure that Bluetooth's on like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom. I've got rather a lot of things that work on Bluetooth on my phone. You've got the main menu there. If you want to go to the main menu, just press the home button, audio, video there, and it says Bluetooth, please connect device. There's no devices connected at the moment. Having said that, if you're on any other screen and you just went to phone, just went to phone, then you've got search for new. As I say, there's nothing connected. So search for new. Vehicle to device is better because that generates a random pin usually, rather than you having to put your own in and type it in here and then type it in your phone. So usually you just have to agree rather than type in another number, but not always. So searching for a phone there. We're watching here at the bottom on the Bluetooth screen, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. So we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 2163 on the handset. So we'll just wait for this. So we have got to enter a number on here, 2163. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. So although this system didn't just say agree, it's the same number, you still only got to have it type it in once, whereas if you do it the other way, you have to type it in twice. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, showing they're connected, just waiting to catch up there. The phone's connected. That's all good. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. If you go to your music, like so, you see at the bottom there, Range Rover. If I click on that, there's a tick next to Range Rover and iPhone. There's nothing. If the tick's next to iPhone, obviously you just touch Range Rover. Go back to the music. So we'll turn that down. It's playing. We go over to the system. Now, from any screen, for argument's sake, if it's on nav, you go to audio, video. That's the radio there. Nothing showing. You see My Music. There's nothing at the side of My Music. So if you click on My Music, you see auxiliary selected. We want Bluetooth, but now there's a plus come up next to My Music. So we click on the plus, and then you see Barry's iPhone. Click on Barry's iPhone. That's playing the music off my phone. If I turn this up now, turn it up like so. As I say, it's turned down here, but if I turn that, makes me feel like you're living. So it's fantastic sound in here. These Meridian speakers are really, they're just brilliant. That's how you stream audio. But you can also play Spotify, any audio off YouTube, Amazon Prime Music, not just iTunes, and it's a great system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. From any screen, if we click on nav, now I've already used this today, but if I hadn't, it would come up with a screen saying click here to agree, you're not going to get distracted. In the top corner you've got destination entry, we'll click on there, postcode, previous, and so on. So onto postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage. I was just going to give you our old address then, we'll just move. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR. Now it's defaulted to numbers. It's a great easy Land Rover system to use, and it's also, even though this is 2 digits, you can still get to the postcode A lot of systems you have to put a space in and then a digit, and it's pretty confusing. But we're PR5 4EA. Click OK. And then you have to click Go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. It's as easy as that.